Hello, my lovely comrades. It is me, your favorite comrade Pasha Loganov. Here I am today again. I'm gonna show you guys how I like to fry my tofu. I'm really excited to show you guys a really fire dish. I don't really know how to describe it. It's like, I guess it's like Thai, Japanese, Asian style type of dish. But it's largely kind of my own creation, I guess. And it's very simple, very cheap, very delicious, most importantly. So yeah, let's get right to it. Okay, so for now, I guess I'll show you guys my ingredients. Alright, so right here we got some tofu, some really firm tofu, and some carrots, obviously, some onions and garlic, red bell pepper, some kind of mushroom. I recommend oyster mushrooms, red cabbage. For our sauce, our peanut sauce, we're going to use peanut butter, chili flakes, lime, tamari, reduced sodium. Our noodle of choice, I'm using organic noodles, wide udon noodles, the organic kind. And I got a whole bowl of kale right here, red and green kale, ready massaged up as our bed of greens that we're going to eat upon. And for the future, we're going to need some oil, some sort of oil, canola, like I prefer canola oil or coconut oil. For our breading, we're going to use organic white flour, some panko breadcrumbs. So we're going to prepare this meal in basically 3 ways. So we're going to fry in this smaller pan because I don't have that much oil. Cook the noodles for several minutes, some boiling water into here, and then right here I'm going to saute the mushrooms. Yes, I'm going to saute the oyster mushrooms, barbecue flavored. Sriracha barbecue flavored. You heard me right, comrades. I like a little spice in my life, if you know me. Now, I suppose I shall begin.
here you have it, comrades. A really delicious way to get in healthy greens and healthy vegetables. So, yeah.
To be honest, frying tofu like this, I do like maybe once or twice a week. Sometimes I'll fry the mushrooms in the same exact way as the tofu and eat it in a salad, and it becomes even crazier. But yeah, obviously I don't recommend eating oily ass foods like this too often. But you know, it really hits the spot. You know, if you know what I mean. The crunchiness of the tofu and the sour peanutty zestiness of the sauce and like the barbecue meatiness of the mushrooms really come together really well. You know, I don't know what else to say. You could add avocado to it. It'd be even more bomb. Like, you could get so creative with this. God damn.